again, basically it's not seeing. If you will comment down, then it would be equivalent to seeing also. So comment down below what you think about our videos and do subscribe and share it with your friends too. Okay, so with this, let's start with today's part. That is part 4 for Fun with Magnets. We have discussed lot many things about magnets in the previous videos. So please go and watch them too. And today we are going to discuss about the uses of a magnet and what precautions we should keep while keeping our magnets. So for the uses part, there are n number of things which are there. Our magnets are present everywhere. They are being used in the credit cards. They are being used in your refrigerators. They are being used in all the speakers. They are being used in the motors. There is not even a single thing around us which is not using magnet. You can say it like that. It's not true. Your mobile phones are having magnet. It means all the electronic gadgets have magnets present in them. Specifically speaking, if it is having a speaker, so it is going to have a magnet present in it. Your credit cards are having magnetic strip over it. जो ब्लैक कलर की स्ट्रिप आपको क्रेडिट एंड डेबिट कार्ड्स के ऊपर नजर आती है, दैट इज मैग्नेटिक इन नेचर and it is having all the information about your account and each and everything. All the motors which are being used to run different things like in your mixer grinder, in your refrigerators, or it could be the motor which is pumping out the water for your house. So all the motors are also using these magnets in them. So we are full of magnets. Everywhere you can find them. Now let's move on to the precautionary measures that we should keep with a magnet. First thing, never drop a magnet from a very much of height. कभी भी बहुत ही ऊंचाई से हमें मैग्नेट को फेंकना नहीं चाहिए. It can lose its magnetic powers. We should not burn the magnet. It means we should not heat the magnet up. Again, it will lose its magnetic powers. And when we are keeping it, for example, say if we are keeping a bar magnet, then we should always keep a magnetic keeper with them. It means that if I am having two bar magnets, so first of all I should keep them together first of all, and there should be something in between these two magnets. A magnetic keeper should be kept in between, and then two of the metal strips should also be kept in between in these sides. So metal strips, a magnetic keeper, and then our magnets in this form. Opposites attract, so in attracted form. Two metal strips and a magnetic keeper. This is how we should keep a bar magnet. And if you are keeping a horseshoe magnet, then you just need to keep a strip here attached towards it. It should be made up of iron. It should be attracting something. That is the main point here. So while you are keeping a horseshoe magnet, you can keep it like this. Never keep your precious magnets near to any of the electronic devices. Just keep them away from it, and always keep them at a place where the heat is also not generated. So these are basically 4 precautions which we should take. Never heat them, never beat them, never drop them, never hammer them. They are very delicate, I think. That is why they are just going to lose their magnetism if we are going to do these things with them. And for keeping them, just take these precautionary measures nicely. That they require magnetic keeper, they require metal strips and the unlike poles together, so that they are attracting something. They should always be in an attracting position, not in the repelling position. Okay. So with this good note, we are over with our fun with magnets. In the next video, we will see some other chapters. You can comment down below that which other chapter you want me to make video on.